So the court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served.
Joshua Panaga is a repeat offender who was already on probation for burglary when he turned his violence toward his family. He stood before the court today hoping to shave time off his sentence through a plea bargain. But as the judge reviews the graphic injuries inflicted on his mother and a small child, the atmosphere in the room shifts. Watch as his attempt to blame the victims backfires in the worst way possible.
All right, court is calling 2023 CR 9224W, State of Texas versus Joshua Panaga. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell for the state.
Defense.
Derek DeWalt, I represent Mr. Panaga.
And are you Joshua Panaga? Okay, I think I'm missing the acknowledgement of discovery.
Oh, you know what? I did not do it.
I verbally put it on the record and sign it in a minute.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
In my opinion, I have received all of it, and yes, Your Honor, we reviewed it.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Panaga, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver of indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand you have a right to have this case heard before a grand jury, and the grand jury can make a determination on whether there's enough information to indict and hold you over for trial? Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that your attorney has certain rights, namely 2 days from the presentation of the information and 10 days from the presentation of the information to prepare for trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Showing you the information, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you waiving the reading of the information?
I am, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with injury to a child, bodily injury intentionally or knowingly? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he is and he was.
Mr. Panaga, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain agreement. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There are no applications. It will run concurrent with 2023 CR 3067W. State will take in consideration County Court Cause number 715-914, 715-915, night mag number 727-486. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Romeo and Carolina Panaga and Rosa Kalunga. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea? State, is that the plea?
Yes.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged in the information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, we offer state's exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
We've had an opportunity to go over that in its entirety. No objections. to its
Showing
minutes.
you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentence?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 4 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 3067W. Taking consideration County Court Cause number 715-914, 715-915, NIMAG number 727-486. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Romeo Panaga, Carolina Panaga, and Rosa Kalanga. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing under that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification, a defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, and also because there's an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're going to proceed in cause number 2023 CR 3067. I'm showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Joshua Panaga who was placed on community supervision in cause number 2023 CR 3067 for the offense of burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault on June 20th, 2023 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. On or about the 27th day of August 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Joshua Panaga committed the offense of possession of controlled substance PG1 in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining. At this
Any objections?
None, Your Honor.
And we do have an agreed recommendation for the court to
All right.
consider.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 5 years in prison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is to revocation and to reform the underlying to 4 years to run concurrent.
All right. All right, why should I do that? Because I've just seen photos of injuries in the other case. Not only did you hit a child, but you hit your mom. And you really deserved more than 4 years in that case. So why should I reduce your sentence from 5 years to 4? You're on probation and all you did was pick up a new offense and frighten your family members.
I have nothing to say, Your Honor. All I can say is that, in my defense, I just signed because I know that there's no evidence to defend my the accusations against me. My mother is an alcoholic. She's abused me all my life. She attacked me while I had my child in my hand, which is when I attacked her back. My grandma tried to take the child out of my hand and they fell on the ground. All I can say is I'm sorry.
Oh, what, you want a jury trial in that other case?
No, man.
All right.
I'm just gonna take it.
So the court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Justine Banda. And this will run concurrent with, I'm sorry, what was that cause number again?
2023.
Mhm.
CR 924W.
All right, this will run concurrent with 2023 CR 9224W. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you do have a limited right to appeal, and that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're going to have to do better. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we excuse?
Yes.
Joshua Panaga's attempt to justify family violence resulted in a 5-year prison sentence. The judge made it clear, once you cross the line of hurting a mother and a child, there is no room for excuses. Was 5 years enough for these crimes, or did he get off easy? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.